being able to maintain, in the privacy.
You know, one of the biggest problems nowadays for the gym, alam ko to kasi it happened to me personally. I used to go to the gym. What happens is that may plateau. So, sobrang pareho na exercises. You actually get bored and then you stop. Now, with the aerobic, you can get creative like what you mentioned. And you can continue doing it, picking a certain part, a program for yourself. Just be sure to
And you know what, John, I like what you said kanina na it's been used in so many exercises. But let's remember, this isn't just for girls. It's actually a unisex product. So, lalo yung mga lalaki, I like what you said na creative pagdating sa mga exercises. The men are actually a little bit more particular about getting buff. So, if they want extra effort, they can actually do whatever using the product.
You can mix, especially for the men out there, you can mix lifting weights and getting your cut.
There.
Okay. Now, this one, straighten your arms, lift your arms way on top, don't bend your elbows and move it, okay? Stretch it out. Okay, the thing here, ako kasi fan ako neto, I wanna get cut here, di ba? When you're wearing sleeveless, kailangan may cut dito. It's the same pull and push action that you get in the gym, okay? Now we're gonna do the back.
Wow.
Okay.
This is a nice thing to improve also for women.
Alam mo, some people, what they do is gawa sila ng jumping rope, diba? Mahirap na. This one is really made to give you a full body workout. Like what